What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing these cold air intakes on a buddy's G37. Right here, I have a few of the tools you are going to need. 8mm socket, 10mm socket to remove the bumper, 11mm just to tighten up the clamps that are provided with the kit. You're gonna need a couple extensions. I'm gonna be using power tools just to make this quicker, but if you don't, simple ratchet is fine. You are gonna need an 11mm wrench. I'm using a 12mm ratcheting wrench because I don't have another 11mm, so you're gonna need those to tighten these things. And then you will need a bigger socket. Let me get the socket and tell you guys what it is. This bolt that sits on the clamp is a 16mm. This one goes to the radiator support, or like the not the subframe, but the radiator support. This is what just helps this stay up a little bit. So yeah, we got these intakes, and then you will be needing just a simple screwdriver just to maybe pop up any clips or panels, and then of course to tighten these PCV valve or PCV hoses up. A little side note, you might also need a Dremel. If you don't have access to one, you should probably get one. I believe I have the attachment, so we're all good. You're gonna need to, I'll show you guys once the bumper's off on the vehicle, but you're gonna need to Dremel out the air hole. Since this tube doesn't fit through the stock one, you'll have to make room for the hole. You'll have to make room for the intake to fit through the hole. So yeah, let's just wait for the guy to show up, and I will begin with the install. Just a quick disclaimer, I am no master tech, so if I do this and I mess up something, don't bash me in the comments. I'm just making this video to help someone out. There's plenty and plenty of videos at this point in day and age. This will probably be the same for any 3-inch intakes. You just probably have to make a bigger hole and make sure you like clock the tubes right. I don't know if that's the right word. Also, if you don't have these things, you should get some. These go in your AC lines. They protect it, because I know a couple of people who the intakes actually rub up on the AC line and they end up having a leak. So that's what these two things are. You have some little zip ties, you zip tie those on. But once again, I will show you everything once the vehicle is here and show you kind of step by step. A couple of the things are just common sense, so if you lack that, I'm sorry. But yeah, just give me a few seconds and I'll see you when the car's here. Alright guys, so here we have the G37 I told you guys we were going to work on. We already removed the shroud right here. Gives us easier access to Dremel these little holes out right here. Then rip these pieces out, and then the intakes will come out and sit right here. And then like I said, that bigger mount that goes is going to bolt in right here. But yeah, hopefully we don't have to take off the bumper, but I think we're going to have to. Alright, so there we go. We already took off the stock intake assembly. So you have to take this guy off right here. And then these are the PCV breather valves. They just go into there. But yeah, it's just a 10mm, and then everything, all of this is a 10mm, and then you have one hidden bolt right here that you have to take off to take this little air duct out. But once those are off, pretty much now we just have to install them. And like I said, I may have to Dremel, or I'm gonna have to Dremel this hole right here. So we're gonna make this bigger, and then everything will pretty much be all done. That shit was launching shit back. Alright guys, that's why you guys always wear your safety glasses, because you never know when shit's gonna go flying. It's a little update. This is what I'm talking about. I've been talking about it, but here we go. Put the bumper in, or put the intake in, I'm sorry. And then just clock them and be all set. Alright guys, so this side's in. Well, it's not. Well, it's in, but it's not secured. But this is all you pretty much have to do. I'm gonna repeat it for the other side. So once again, these protector lines, I put them somewhere. Here are the protector lines right here. These snap on just like so, and then it goes on the one in the back, and you just drill out this hole a little bit bigger. Same thing, slide it in, and you are all set to go. All right guys, so I didn't do a very good job of recording the process, but pretty much we are all done. Well, we are done actually. All of this is drilled out already. As you can see, it's all good. So we're about to start the car right now and just I mean, let it idle You don't really have to do this, but we're gonna. Fairly simple process. Remove the old intake, put it in 11 millimeter and 8 mils, and you're pretty much set. These were already cut, so when you get them in a kit, it comes in like a probably like 6-inch piece. You just cut it up, and then you make sure that these are good. All of this is back into place. These are all tight. I kind of wrapped something around here just so it doesn't rattle right there, but it's all good. So yeah, let's go ahead and start it up. There we got it. Damn, you hear these things sucking in hella air. This just sounds sick. Alright guys, so I'm honestly not sure where I left off, but install is complete. The last video that you guys saw is the last thing that we did to the vehicle. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will keep putting out some videos, and I got some news coming for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.